A very good afternoon to all the dignitaries, respected guests, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. I am Arpita.
I am Tejas, your cultural secretaries.
Every successful event is a reflection of collective effort and heartfelt gratitude. It is with immense pride and sincere appreciation that we stand before you to propose the vote of thanks for this grand investiture ceremony.
First and foremost, we extend our sincere and heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Prasanna Kumar sir, for gracing this occasion with his presence. Sir, your encouraging words have truly inspired us to lead with confidence, integrity, and commitment.
We express our deepest respect and gratitude to respected chairperson Shilpa Ravi ma'am, ever supportive secretary Rama Devi ma'am, dynamic academic director Shashi ma'am, and administrator Reshmi ma'am for their constant guidance and visionary leadership.
We are equally grateful to the principals, vice principal, headmistresses of our sister concerns for their gracious presence and continued support.
A special note of gratitude to our respected principal Bharti ma'am, headmistress Ansia ma'am, and coordinator Kavita ma'am, whose constant encouragement, trust, and mentorship empower us to grow into responsible leaders.
We extend our heartfelt thanks to Vijendra sir and Vimla ma'am for training the student council.
Our sincere appreciation goes to Anuradha ma'am and Ajit sir for the meticulous stringing of events.
We extend our heartfelt thanks to Lalit sir, Urvashi ma'am, Gayatri ma'am, Shanti ma'am, and the music team for their soulful contributions. Your efforts added depth, emotion, and elegance to the event, making it truly memorable.
We also thank Praveen sir, Priya ma'am, and the dance team for the vibrant and energetic performances. Your dedication and passion lit up the stage and added color and enthusiasm to today's ceremony.
We express our gratitude and appreciation to Reena ma'am, Atya ma'am, and their team for their wonderful and thought-provoking skit.
A big round of applause and appreciation goes to Mamta ma'am, Sunita ma'am, and the comparing team, Viren, Yashwant, Ramisha, and Mushira. Your eloquence, confidence, and grace truly elevated the spirit of this ceremony.
We sincerely thank the IT head, Veena ma'am, and Shankar sir for their creative and dedicated efforts in designing and arranging the flexes, which added great visual appeal to today's ceremony.
We express our gratitude to Sangeeta ma'am, Srinivas sir, and the computer department, along with a special note of appreciation to Tejas for the technical support and for ensuring that every digital aspect of today's ceremony was executed flawlessly.
We extend our special thanks to all the house mentors for their constant motivation and for standing by us as we step into our roles.
We express our gratitude to the CCA coordinators Samyukta ma'am and Helen ma'am, and also the sports coordinator Vijay sir for all their inputs and wish them all the very best as they take up new responsibilities.
A special note of thanks to all our teachers whose dedication, guidance, and belief in us has empowered us to accept these responsibilities with pride and confidence.
A big thank you to our fellow students for entrusting with us for this responsibility and for believing in us. We promise that your voice will not go unheard.
We sincerely thank the photographers Praveen Bhaiya and Srinivas sir for capturing these precious moments.
A big round of applause and gratitude to our drummers, Kushal, Juan, and Anay.
We also deeply appreciate the dedicated efforts of the events team, ably led by Latif ma'am, for organizing and executing the ceremony so beautifully.
We would like to extend our heartfelt thanks to Sujit sir for all the hard work and attention to detail that have added great beauty and meaning to this occasion.
We extend our sincere gratitude to our administrative team headed by Admin Manager Shailaja ma'am, Transport in charge Vamshi sir for the seamless coordination.
We extend our heartfelt gratitude to our support staff for their tireless efforts.
We are deeply grateful to all the parents present here. Your unwavering support and encouragement are the foundations of our achievements. Your presence means a lot to us.
And on behalf of the entire council, we promise to work together as a united team, striving towards excellence and upholding the values of our institution.
As we conclude, we would like to share a thought.
Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into action, and together we shall lead with purpose, passion, and perseverance. Once again, we extend our heartfelt thanks to everyone who made this ceremony a grand success.
This is Tejas
And Arpita signing off. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.